Hello friends, our today's activity is a carnival mask. So this is a mask which is used in carnivals. Now carnival is a festival, it is a fair, it's like a fair kind of a festival, a street festival where people come out and celebrate their occasion by having some songs and dance and fun with family and friends together. It's very colorful and bright mask. So let's start. You're going to need a paper, candy stick, some decorations, some feathers, glue and scissors. So let's begin. Fold the piece of paper into half. Press this very lightly because we don't want a crease coming, otherwise our mask will fold. It should be straight. Now on this folded half, we are going to draw a shape of your choice. Like for example, if you are drawing such kind of a shape, then this is the half folded part. So when you cut, you get two equal parts. So you don't have to draw on both the sides. So this is a small trick that I am showing you. Whatever kind of a mask design you want, you can draw. Suppose I am drawing like this, and we have to cut out the eye part. So we'll start cutting. Don't throw this away, you might need it for later. See, now when you open this, you got an equal shape, right? You can erase the lines which are visible. Now how to cut this middle part? Again we'll fold this and very carefully just fold it like this and give a small cut like this. Can you see this? Cut. Now from here your scissor can go. Hold the paper together and very carefully start cutting on the outline that we drew. So wherever you are seeing uneven lines, you can make it even. So see, we have cut both the sides equally and also the eye. Now with the help of Fevicol, you will start arranging these sequels in designs of your choice. So it's very easy. What you have to do is, suppose if you want to put it on the outline, then just make an outline with the help of your glue and start placing your sequels or your decorations. And leave it, allow it to dry on its own. So we finish sticking the decorations, the sequels in the border. I feel if I stick some more decorations, if I glue some more decorations here, it will look good. You can glue decorations with your choice. Have fun. Now, on the reverse side or the rear side, behind, we will glue some feathers like this. We'll glue some feathers. You can glue it in the sides or maybe in the center. So I would like to glue it here in the center. So on the reverse side, I will apply some glue. The feathers will need lots of glue. So I'm just dabbing some glue over here. And I'll just keep on placing the feathers. They'll stick on their own. Colorful feathers. Just turn it around and check. So see, it's looking good. Now comes the last part. For your candy stick, just apply some glue at the tip. If you want to secure these feathers, we have this paper cutout remaining. What you can do is cut a small strip. Very tiny strip of the same, and secure the feathers by gluing this tiny strip so that they don't move, and since it is of the same color, it will look good. We've applied glue on the candy stick and we'll place it here. We'll allow it to dry. Our carnival mask is now ready.